Okay, I'm installing my power winch so I can hoist the motor. Oh, there. One, two. There are two more. Four more bolts in the back. Yeah. We go. Then there is one up here. And then I'll be able to remove this cover. Here we go. The post. Cover is off. Same thing over there. Over the other side. One screw here and one screw on the top. This one is easier. Bottom one is a pain in the neck. The reason I'm removing these cover, it's because I need to get to the two bolts that mounted it to my wall, and I cannot. Wow, this screw is very stubborn. I'm not sure if I'm using the right screwdriver. Okay, I took one bolt out of there, two bolts out of there, three bolts out of there. This is the last one, which is the fourth one. Whoa. Oh my gosh. See that? Probably should hoist this tight. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. I'm continuing to remove the last bolt. I have secured the cable so over the winch is strong enough to hold this bolt. I believe so, but we'll see. Okay, all four bolts are out. What's catching the boat now is that ear. That ear that's catching the boat. So I guess I can connect a wire and then somehow hoist this engine up. Yeah, because all the 4 bolts are clear. Oh. Okay, the boat is motor is totally clear. The boat. So now, as you can see, the boat is freely moving. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the boat away, so this way I can get more done, because right now yeah, that can that thing is not moving. So I need to pull the boat up forward, and then I can have more room to work on the tilt rod. Almost out. There you go. Okay. Now this is out. Gosh. This is crazy. This is the crazy one. So I'm gonna send it a little bit, and then I guess clean this tilt rod a little bit. But right now it's out. So I'm gonna clean the tilt rod in here a little bit. Clean that well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push the boat forward and drop the motor to the ground, and then clean the tilt rod really well. And the other thing is I'm gonna sand this down a little bit, to make it smoother.